Understanding the evacuation tone of a building alarm system. It is very, very important that you pay attention to the tone for evacuation. It's very, very important that you recognize that tone so you can react quickly when you hear the alarm system go off. It's very important that you recognize that sound as a evacuation alarm. So you can escape danger. I mean, if there's an emergency in your building, like a fire, your alarm system is going to go eh, 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 eh. That is what alert you would get for a fire in your building from your building's alarm system. I mean, when your alarm system goes that means there is a carbon monoxide leak. I mean, when your alarm system goes that means someone broke into your building. And when your alarm system goes that means there is severe weather. I mean, your hospital alarm will go eh, 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 eh. That is what you would hear if someone needs medical help because they are sick or they are hurt. And an alarm in one room will go eh, 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 like that. If there is smoke or fire, your alarm system is going to go eh, 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 eh. Bye.